Hi guys, and welcome to another review show. Today on the review shows we're going to be reviewing the Sweet Shack Cupcakes in minutes. The Sweet Shack Cupcakes in minutes. Delicious cupcakes every time. So enjoy easy to make cupcakes with this non-stick maker. Mix up your homemade cupcake mixture and pour into the plates. It's simple and easy to use, making perfectly delicious cupcakes every time. Enjoy exploring different toppings and flavour combinations. So we're going to try this. We've got our cupcake mix, which I've mixed up ready. A bit lumpy still, but... So we're going to open this up. There's the instructions. Let's see what we've got in here. We have a little cupcake maker. Get rid of all this. All the bits in the box out of the way. Got these ties on here, which we shall undo. And this plugs into your standard British socket, which we have down there. And there we have the cupcake plates, which makes 4 little cupcakes. So we're going to have a quick look at the instructions and I'll get back to you in a minute. See you in a minute. Okay, welcome back. We've had a look at the instructions. So the first thing we need to do, which we have some prepared here, is oil the little cupcake areas. So just put a little bit of oil in there as an initial thing to stop them sticking. And then we have to pour in our mix, and it'll take 2 to 3 minutes to cook. So we're going to give this a bit of a whisk, get some air in there. This is the, again, Sweet Shack Cupcakes in Minutes maker. Makes you 4 little, they do look quite little actually, cupcakes. And now we have to spoon that in there, and I haven't got a spoon, so I shall go get a spoon. I shall see you in a minute. And there we have a spoon ready. So we'll give this another bit of a whisk. This is standard cupcake mix. You can find plenty of recipes for them on the internet. So we shall now spoon some into our things. It says to keep it level. Very runny our mix. Okay, that's gone in there quite nicely. You can see that. And then number 2. Maybe a touch more in there. And now number 3. Very watery our cake mix. Number 3, and now number 4, and then we can start. Beautiful. Right then, you should just clean that off a sec. The spillage, because I was a bit clumsy. And now we shall try the Sweet Shack Cupcakes in Minutes. Should take 2 to 3 minutes. And then we have a little light, so we're actually cooking away. We got some buttercream later to go in them. And we shall now wait 2 minutes, which I shall set my stopwatch. We wait 3 minutes actually, so it says 2 to 3 minutes. So we'll see what they're like in 2 to 3 minutes. So I shall see you in 2 to 3 minutes. Bye. Okay, we're just coming up to a minute now. I can hear it bubbling away in there. It's starting to smell nice as well. Cake. Aww. On fire. Oh, it smells lovely actually. Okay, we're just coming up to 2 minutes now, and we're smoking away nicely. Okay, we've just gone past 3 minutes, so I'm going to turn off the power and take a look. Wow, look at them, they look good. Get ourselves a little plate. Hopefully they're cooked right through. Oh, they're coming in quite easy. They're very tiny actually, as you can see. But they did cook quite quickly. So I'm going to pop some more in, I think, and do a second batch while we check them out. So let's fill this bag up. There were 4. 1, 2. Been back on Sesame Street. 3, 4. Give that another wipe over. Stop that and start again. So we'll give it another 3 minutes while we check out these. Got a little light on there. So let us cut one of these in half. You can see they're nicely cooked. Nice colour on them. Are they cooked through? Yes, actually. Cooked right through. We'll try this now. That's delicious. Well cooked, but plain, so we're going to put some buttercream in there. The second batch cooking away nicely there. Just coming up to a minute on that. So let's try this. Should let these cool down really because they're quite warm. But just for you I'm going to try them. That is nice. A bit plain on their own, but with buttercream. Delicious. So there we have 4 cupcakes from the Sweet Shack Cupcakes in minutes, and it was in minutes. That was 3 minutes from cold. Delicious cupcakes every time, I would agree with that. We're on a minute and a half on our second batch, so I'm going to buttercream another one of these. Again, this is just standard cake mix and standard buttercream. You can find these recipes online. And then get your little cupcake maker and you're away. And these are actually nice and small, so you can justify eating them if you're on a diet. 2.5 minutes, so it's not going to be long now, and we're going to check our second batch just to see that they come out the same, because the last lot were cooked from cold, so these will be cooked from warm plates. Try to keep your unit clean as well, not like me, dribbling everywhere. Okay, 10 seconds. Get ready. Turn off the power. There we have it, 3 minutes. So let's see what these ones are like. Oh, and look at that. They are golden looking. Golden brown. Texture like sun. Micro cakes. So, there we have the Sweet Shack Cupcakes in minutes. Delicious cupcakes every time. I would highly recommend that because they taste delicious and they're easy to cook. Have to watch the plates because they're hot, so if you've got children, don't let them do it on their own. Supervise them because they will burn themselves. But I highly recommend it, so I hope you enjoyed this review show. If you did, please subscribe and hit the like button so you'll be informed of any other videos coming up. And I shall see you on the next review show. So thank you very much and goodbye.